So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here we have been given an equation. It is not directly in the form of quadratic equation. So it is given something like this. Solve the equation 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3 with the condition that x is not equal to 0 or 2. So we have handled questions like this previously also in factorization and completing the square method. So first we have to convert it into quadratic equation format and then we'll solve it using quadratic formula method. So here first we'll write the equation that is given 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. So here that implies x to x minus 2. So it is x minus 2 minus x. This is equal to 3. Okay. That implies here x minus x, it will get cancelled and will be minus 2 by x square minus 2x is equal to 3. That implies cross multiplication 3 into x square minus 2x. Okay, cross multiplying 3 into x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2. That implies 3x square minus 6x is equal to minus 2. That implies 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the given, we have converted into this quadratic equation format. 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation format. Now, if we compare it with the standard format of quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. Okay, so the roots of the quadratic equation, it will be as per the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. b square minus 4ac is discriminant, which is represented as d. So directly we'll here put the values minus b, so it is minus 6 plus minus root over of b square, that is minus 6 whole square minus 4 3 to 2 by 2a, which is equal to 2 into 3. So this is equal to 6 plus minus minus 6 square is 36 plus 36 minus 24 by 6, which is equal to 6 plus minus root over of 12 by 6. Now 12 is, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 3, so 2 root 3, we can write it as 2 root 3. So it is 6 plus minus 2 root 3 by 6. So here we can write it as 2 into 3 plus minus root 3. This by 6, 3. So here we have two solutions of the given quadratic equation. Okay, the first solution is 3 plus root 3 by 3. Okay, 3 plus root 3 by 3, and the other one is 3 minus root 3 by 3, or you can write it as 1 plus root 3 by 3, which will be 1 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by root 3, and here it will be equal to 1 minus root 3 by 3, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so this is the thing. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here we have an equation. It is not directly again in the quadratic equation format. So we have to first convert it into quadratic equation and then solve it using quadratic formula. So the equation is x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus x minus 3 by x minus 4 is equal to 3 whole 1 by 3. So here the condition is given that x is not equal to 2 or 4. So here first we'll write the equation. Okay, so now we have to simplify it. So this is equal to how much? 10 by 3. So directly we'll write 10 by 3. Then we'll take same, so x minus 2 to x minus 4. So here it is x minus 1 into x minus 4 plus here it is x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, so that implies, so here it is x square minus 4x minus x plus 4, okay, plus x square minus 3x. So this is equal to 10 by 3. Okay, I missed it, sorry. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 by, here it is x square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Okay, this is equal to 10 by 3. That implies, here we have, when we open the bracket, it becomes x square plus x square minus 4x minus x, that is minus 5x, here minus 3x minus 2x, also minus 5x, then plus 4 plus 6 by x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 10 by 3. So this is equal to 2x square minus 10x plus 10. Okay, 2x square minus 10x plus 10. So I'm writing it here. This is equal to the numerator 2x square minus 10x plus 10. Okay, so now we'll cross multiply. So that implies 3 into 2x square minus 10x plus 10 is equal to 10 into x square minus 6x plus 8. That implies 6x square minus 30x plus 30 is equal to 10x square minus 60x plus 80. Now taking this to the other side, we have 10x square minus 6x square minus 60x plus 30x, minus becomes plus, and plus 80 minus 30 is equal to 0. That implies we have 4x square minus 30x plus 50 is equal to 0. So here we take 2 common, it becomes 2 into 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equal to 0. Plus 2x square minus 15x plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Okay, we have converted it. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Now we have to solve it using quadratic formula for the roots of the quadratic equation. So comparing it with the standard format, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 15 and c is equal to 25. So as per the quadratic formula, the two roots of the quadratic equation are minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is equal to 15 plus minus b square minus 4ac to 2 into 25 by 2a, which is equal to 2 into 2. So it is equal to 15 plus minus, this is equal to 15 square is how much? 225. Okay, 225, and this is 4 into 25 is 100, 200 minus 200 by 4. So this is equal to 15 plus minus root over of 25 by 4, which is equal to 15 plus minus 5 by 4. So here the two roots are, one is 5, which is 15 plus 5 by 4, which is equal to 20 by 4, which is equal to 5, and the other one is 15 minus 5 by 4, which is equal to 10 by 4, which is equal to, if we cancel it with 5, so it is, sorry, 2, it is 5 by 2. So the two solutions are, one is 5, another one is 5 by 2. So it was a long one, because first we had to convert this given equation, which was not in the form of a quadratic equation. So first we had to convert it into quadratic equation format through basic algebra and cross multiplication, cancellation, subtraction, everything, addition, subtraction, basic things. So we converted into the quadratic equation format, and then we use the quadratic formula to get the value of the roots of the quadratic equation, the two roots. One is 5, another one is 5 by 2. Okay,